Someone come on us to do a video by the name by Bella Combo featuring Evelyn Wanjiru. Mungu ni mmoja tu. Let's start somewhere. So I want to show you the chords for that song. So we start here. See? 1, 2, 3. Number 5. The King of. Number 4. Passing. Easier. Look at those chords. Passing. Passing. So this passing, I'm holding this one to this one. Passing. What are those chords? Those notes. Easier. So with the beat, let's try with the beat now. So those are the chords. Make sure you subscribe to continue learning more chords and more how to approach different songs. Thank you. Subscribe.